They say aging steals your strength. But what if that's just a myth you've been told for years? The real truth is that it's not time that's weakening your body, but quiet, everyday routines that slowly chip away at your muscle health. You're not losing strength because you're older. You're losing it because no one ever told you what to stop doing. This video is here to change that. Every day, millions of people over 50 unknowingly follow habits that keep their bodies stuck in slow mode. These aren't bad habits on purpose. They're just misunderstood. From how you sit to how you walk, even how you rest, these small choices can slowly turn off your muscle-building switch. But stay with us, because we're about to reveal 5 simple, surprising changes that can reignite your strength. No gym memberships, no pills, and definitely no hype. If you're ready to take back control of your body, hit that like button and subscribe for more real, science-backed tips on staying active and strong. And in the comments, tell us which of these habits you never even realized was affecting your strength. You might just help someone else have their aha moment too. Number 1, intentional standing over lazy rising. Most people don't think twice about how they get up from a chair. It's just a daily movement, right? But here's the thing. Every time you push yourself up with your hands or lean heavily on the armrests, you're quietly sending a message to your legs that they're not needed. Over time, those leg muscles start to get the hint and slowly weaken. It's not something you notice all at once. One day you just feel a little slower, a little shakier. The truth is, strength doesn't vanish overnight. It fades away quietly every time we choose ease over effort. Imagine this instead. You're sitting comfortably, then you plant your feet firmly on the ground. You lean forward just a bit, like you're telling your body, we're doing this together. No hands, no boost, just your legs doing the work they were made for. You rise. It might feel like nothing, but this small act is powerful. It sends sparks through your nervous system, reminding your brain and muscles how to work as a team. You're not just standing up, you're waking up strength that's been dozing off. Do this a few times a day, not as a chore, but as a quiet kind of training. While the world rushes toward complex workouts and flashy fitness routines, you're rewiring your body in the background, one mindful move at a time. This isn't exercise in the traditional sense. There's no sweat, no timer, no equipment. It's just a return to a movement that once came naturally. And with every repetition, your legs get the memo. We're still in the game. What's beautiful about this habit is how ordinary it looks. Nobody would guess you're actually doing rehab disguised as routine. You might be getting up to grab a glass of water, answer the door, or stretch your legs. But secretly, you're working on something much deeper. You're rebuilding trust between your body and your will. That's how resilience grows. Not in big, dramatic moments, but in the quiet decision to rise with purpose. So next time you're about to get up, pause. Skip the hands. Let your legs take the lead. The more you do it, the more natural it feels. And one day, without realizing it, you'll notice how much steadier you've become. That's the power of standing with intention. Not just standing up, but standing strong. Number 2, daily floor sitting. For most of human history, chairs didn't exist. People squatted, knelt, or simply sat on the ground. It wasn't just a way to rest, it was a way to stay strong. These natural positions kept the spine aligned, the hips open, and the core constantly engaged. But in today's world, where chairs are everywhere, our bodies are slowly forgetting how to hold themselves up. We sink into soft cushions and recliners, and over time, our muscles grow weak from disuse. What once came naturally now feels uncomfortable. Think about the last time you sat on the floor. Was it a picnic? Playing with a child? Maybe not for years. At first, it might feel awkward or stiff. That's your body telling you it's out of practice. But give it a little time, just 3 minutes a day, and you'll start to notice something shift. Your hips will loosen. Your back will begin to support you again. Your posture will improve without effort. These small changes add up in powerful ways, like dusting off an old skill you forgot you had. What's even more powerful than sitting down is standing back up. Rising from the floor isn't just movement. It's an incredible full-body exercise. Your legs fire up, your core engages, your balance kicks in. It's a motion that toddlers do without thinking, but adults tend to avoid. We forget that our bodies were designed for this kind of challenge. Reintroducing it into your daily life, even for a moment, brings you back to that natural rhythm. And it doesn't require any gym equipment, fancy routines, or time-consuming plans. You can start right now, wherever you are. Sit on the floor while scrolling your phone, folding laundry, or listening to music. It's a small act with big returns. You're not just sitting, you're resetting your body's foundations. Every moment down there is a signal to your muscles. Wake up. We've got work to do. The floor isn't just a surface, it's a teacher. It reminds you of how your body was meant to move, hold itself, and rise with purpose. Instead of letting chairs do the work, let your own strength carry you. Reconnect with that grounded, powerful version of yourself. Just a few minutes a day is enough to rebuild what modern life has taken away. And the best part, it's always been right under your feet. Number 3, loaded carry, light impact. Imagine this. You're tidying up the house, folding laundry, sweeping the floor, or putting away dishes. Now picture yourself slipping on a backpack, not too heavy, just a few books or water bottles inside. You go about your chores as usual, but with this small change, you're giving your body a silent, powerful workout. It might not look like much, but the effects go far beyond what you'd expect from a few household tasks. What's happening behind the scenes is kind of magical. Your joints are getting gentle signals, the kind they thrive on. See, it's not only muscles that benefit from movement. Joints, bones, and the entire structure of your body need just the right kind of stress to stay strong and healthy. Without it, they begin to weaken, slowly, almost silently. But by simply adding that little bit of weight, your body perks up, receives the message, and begins to reinforce itself. This trick isn't about burning calories or breaking a sweat. It's about supporting the foundation of your mobility, your balance, your bones, your stamina. The added weight challenges your posture ever so slightly, encourages micro adjustments in your movement, and builds resilience in places you rarely think about. And the best part? You're doing things you'd already be doing anyway. No treadmill, no gym membership, no extra time carved out of your day. There's something deeply satisfying about knowing you're helping your body just by living your life a little differently. While you're wiping down counters or walking up the stairs with laundry, your body is adapting. Your core is getting a subtle workout. Your spine is learning to support more weight. Even your feet are engaging in a more meaningful way. It's like sneaking in a secret health upgrade without breaking your rhythm. Number 4, chew like you mean it. There's something powerful happening every time you chew, and most of us never even think about it. Your jaw, especially the masseter muscle, the one responsible for closing your mouth when you chew, is one of the strongest in your body. When you really put it to work, not just nibbling or absent-mindedly munching, but truly chewing with purpose, it does more than break down food. It sends signals deep into your nervous system, telling your body how to align, stabilize, and support itself. It might sound surprising, but the simple act of chewing can subtly shift how you carry yourself throughout the day. This all starts with your posture. Your jaw connects to a whole network of muscles in your head, neck, and spine. When your jaw is strong and engaged through proper chewing, it encourages your head to sit right where it should be, neither pushed forward nor tilted back. That alignment ripples down your spine, affecting the way your shoulders rest and how your hips balance. It's not a magic trick. It's just your body responding to the natural feedback that comes from movement and resistance. And yes, chewing raw foods gives your jaw just the kind of challenge it needs to trigger this response. There's also something interesting happening with balance. Your jaw and inner ear are more connected than you'd think. When the jaw is aligned and activated, it can contribute to more stable balance signals to your brain. Athletes and performers sometimes chew gum before big events for this very reason. They're not just staying alert, they're subtly grounding themselves through the jaw's connection to the body's equilibrium. You might never notice this on a conscious level, but your body does. It's like fine-tuning an instrument. The details matter. So where do you start? It's easy. Add just one snack a day that challenges your jaw. A handful of almonds, a raw carrot, or even dried mango that takes a little more effort to chew. Don't rush through it. Pay attention to how it feels. That's all it takes to send a stream of quiet but powerful messages through your system. You're giving your nervous system something it's been craving: natural, functional movement in a world where everything's become too soft and processed. You won't feel an earthquake of change right away, but over time, that one simple habit can shift things. You might catch yourself standing a little taller or feeling more grounded as you move. It's not about going out of your way. It's about tuning back into the signals your body already knows how to read. All you have to do is chew like you mean it. Number 5. Toothbrush balance drill. Every day you brush your teeth. It's automatic, part of your routine, something you barely think about. But what if that simple act could secretly turn into a powerful way to improve your strength and balance? Without adding even a second to your schedule? It sounds too good to be true, but it's not. There's a tiny trick you can start using today that wakes up muscles you've been ignoring for years. And all you need is a toothbrush. Imagine this. You're brushing your teeth just like always, but instead of standing flat on both feet, you lift one foot off the ground. Suddenly your body has to work. Your ankles start to adjust, your legs engage, and your core quietly kicks into gear to keep you upright. In that one shift, your ordinary moment becomes a mini workout, activating the stabilizer muscles that protect your joints and support your posture. You're not just brushing anymore, you're training your body in balance, coordination, and control. This might not seem like much at first. You might wobble. You might laugh at how hard it is to stay still. But that's the magic of it, those tiny, invisible corrections your body makes. That's your nervous system sharpening itself. That's your balance system rebooting, recalibrating, and learning. Over time, those wobbles turn into steadiness. What once felt silly becomes second nature, and you're doing it every day, twice a day, without needing to carve out time or change your schedule. What's beautiful about this drill is its simplicity. No equipment, no gym clothes, no planning. You're already brushing your teeth, something you do without fail. Now it becomes a moment of focused strength. 1 minute on each foot, that's all. And as days go by, your ankles get stronger, your core gets smarter, and your body starts to remember how to move with precision. It's a small shift with surprising results. So the next time you reach for your toothbrush, let it be more than just a tool for clean teeth. Let it be a quiet signal for your body to come alive. Lift a foot, find your balance, and let those tiny muscles get their moment. It's not just a drill, it's a daily ritual, reshaped, simple, sneaky, smart. And it might just be the most effective 2-minute workout you've never heard of. As we get older, many people assume that losing muscle and strength is just part of the process. But that's not entirely true. It's not really age that takes strength away. It's the way we stop using our bodies over time. Life gets busy, routines shift, and without realizing it, we slowly forget how to move with intention. Our bodies respond by adapting to that lack of use. It's not that they can't perform anymore. It's that we've stopped asking them to. The good news is, you don't need to throw yourself into intense workouts or chase the gym grind to bring strength back. It's not about punishing routines or lifting heavier every week. Instead, it comes down to small, smart actions repeated with purpose. The body thrives on consistency. Even simple movements, when done with awareness and care, begin to signal the body to wake up again, to rebuild, reconnect, and remember what it once knew. Imagine habits that slip naturally into your day. The way you stand, how you breathe, the way you move through your space. These moments hold more power than they appear to. Over time, they layer strength beneath the surface. They bring stability back to your steps, energy back to your posture, and confidence to how you carry yourself. This isn't about looking younger. It's about feeling capable again, and that feeling changes everything. The magic lies not in sweating more, but in thinking differently. When you train your attention to notice how you move and where tension hides, you stop working against your body and start working with it. That shift, though subtle, can unlock muscles you haven't felt in years. It's not flashy, but it's real. And it works, not because your body's young, but because your approach is finally wise. So if you've felt like strength is something slipping through your fingers with every passing year, know this: it isn't gone. It's waiting. Waiting for you to remember that motion is a conversation, and the body always listens. With the right habits, thoughtful, intentional, steady, you won't just maintain what you have. You'll rediscover what you thought was lost, and it will feel better than you imagined.